Hello, welcome back to our new best intro edit tutorial. Let's start the tutorial first. Add beat marking like this. Create a text effect before creating an intro animation. This is very simple. In this, you have to keep the normal text first, then change the text and font, step by step, according beat marking like this. Follow my process. It is a very simple process. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. I'm trying to fix this problem. And most importantly, you don't need to choose a specific font. You have to select a font randomly. You need to write Neymar in capital letters. Follow my step. Export the video after complete all process. And then you have to change the same text to stroke, which is quite simple. Follow my steps. Now you have to import the photos of Neymar. Now you have to import the photos of Neymar. If the scale of your photos is low, fix this problem. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. export this clip and apply a motion blur effect. Apply a motion blur effect. First, create a text layer, import it, and change the blending mode. This is to add a smooth zoom-in effect to your text layer. This is to add a smooth zoom-in effect to your text layer. Add keyframe. For that, press the key and zoom in on the layer the way I do. Graph this keyframe dot like this. Go to Effect and search Glow. Add Glow to Effect and follow my settings. Make sure Glow add individual text layers like me. Last step, add Neymar text and add keyframe, and make sure add same apply graph pattern. Copy glow effect and add text layer. All right. Everything is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.